Hello guys, today we are going to find out how to get Movavi Video Editor Plus 2021 edition for free. This is a simple video editing software. Let's find out about it and crack it. Hello guys and welcome back to another video of how to get paid apps for free. So in this video we are going to download and install Movavi Video Editor 2021 edition for free. So let's first talk about what is Movavi Video Editor. Movavi Video Editor is a simple video editing software for beginners where you get all the effects you want as a beginner. Now enough talking, let's start downloading it. Now go to the description of the video where you will find the download link. It is from mega.nz, and make sure to like and subscribe when you go to fetch up the link. So this file is like 145.7 megabytes. You can click this download button right here and download this file, but I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So this method works for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, any version you have. Just go ahead and do this method. I'm gonna close this one because I have already downloaded it. Now let's go to our downloads folder, and here we have Methu Video Editor Plus 21.4.0 for free. Now you will need 7-zip or WinRAR to extract these files. Now go ahead and click show more options if you are using Windows 11. Then click extract to Methu/Movavi Video Editor Plus 21.4.0. Now after you click this, you will have to give the password. As you can see in the screen, the password is 123. Now after this is extracted, here you will see this file, and here is the password file. Then go ahead and open this Movavi Video Editor Plus folder, and then there you will find 3 files: readme file, and there are 2 more folders, 32-bit and 64-bit. If your computer is 32-bit, then go ahead and go to this 32-bit folder. I'm gonna go to the 64-bit folder because my computer is 64-bit. Now go ahead and open that. There you will find some more files. Now the only thing you have to do is run this Movavi Video Editor Plus setup C file right here. Now double click it, then it will start the installation program. Now let's zoom into it. Then you will have to click I accept the terms and of the license agreement, and you can even change the installation settings if you want. You can select the language you want and then just click install right here, which will install the program on your PC. So after this is installed, let's crack it. Okay, it is 100% installed right here. Now don't run this program first. Just close this from this close button right here, and again go to the downloads folder and go to the hook/dll, and if you are using 32-bit, then go to the fix right here. I'm gonna go to the 64-bit version. Now copy these 2 files right here, and then go to your desktop and right click on this Movavi Video Editor Plus icon, and then click open file location. After that, paste your files that you copied earlier into this folder, and then you are done. Now go ahead and open this Video Editor Plus right here. Close these things, and like this you can do a lot of things from our Video Editor Plus. I'm not gonna do those again, and if you want you can do those things. And that's it for this video. If this video worked for you, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching this video.